Welcome to this tutorial on creating an AI animated story using various AI tools. From designing characters to adding animations and voiceovers, I'll guide you step by step to bring your ideas to life. Let's dive in and start creating magic with AI. Even a simple run felt like a mountain climb, with asthma holding her back. Yet she dreamed of overcoming her limits. Grandpa Joe reminded Mia, strength isn't about never falling, but getting back up. Mia found strength in friendship with Sam, her running buddy. Together they shared struggles, laughter, and a drive to improve. Every journey has storms. When Mia fell, doubts weighed heavy, but Grandpa Joe reminded her falling is part of the race, getting up matters. The big day arrived. Mia stood at the starting line, heart racing. Sam's smile reminded her she wasn't alone. This was her moment. Mia neared the finish line, the cheers growing. She crossed it, proving determination's power. Mia's journey shows, fall or doubt, but never give up. Every step brings you closer to your best self.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.